Imagine a cosmic hurricane 60,000 light-years wide, violently ripping apart an entire neighboring world to fuel its own glowing heart. We aren't just looking at a beautiful collection of stars, we are looking at a 160-billion solar mass crime scene. For decades, scientists have been completely baffled by the Whirlpool Galaxy, officially known as M51. Its spiral arms are too perfect, glowing with the impossible fire of a million unborn suns. It literally defies what we thought we knew about galactic rotation. And if that wasn't enough, at its exact center lies a supermassive black hole hiding behind a mysterious, perfectly symmetrical dark X that looks almost artificially constructed. How is this galaxy maintaining such a flawless, geometric shape while currently eating another galaxy alive? To understand why M51 is breaking the mold, you need to know how standard galaxies work. Normally, a spiral galaxy is a chaotic mix of gas, dust, and stars slowly drifting around a central hub, kind of like water swirling down a drain. Over billions of years, the laws of physics dictate that these arms should naturally wind up tight and smear together into a blurry, featureless disk. But here is where things get strange. Instead of blurring out, M51's arms are razor-sharp. They are practically screaming with new, hypermassive stars. It's like a cosmic clock that absolutely refuses to wind down. If you love uncovering the universe's greatest mysteries with us, make sure to hit that follow and subscribe button right now. What I'm about to reveal next about the Whirlpool's dark core is exactly why thousands of space enthusiasts are joining us every single day. Stay with me here, because the truth is stranger than fiction. Let's rewind the clock. In 1845, William Parsons pointed a massive, 72-inch telescope, dubbed the Leviathan, at the night sky. He sketched a bizarre, swirling nebula. It was the very first time humanity had ever laid eyes on a spiral structure in deep space. Fast forward to today. Scientists analyzing modern data from the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes found something Parsons couldn't have possibly imagined. Looking closely at the edge of the whirlpool, they spotted a smaller galaxy, NGC 5195. And it isn't just peacefully passing by. It is a cosmic hit-and-run. Astronomers now believe that hundreds of millions of years ago, that smaller galaxy violently smashed right through the main disk of the whirlpool. Think of it like dropping a massive boulder into a tranquil pond. The impact sent invisible shock waves, known as density waves, rippling outward at incomprehensible speeds. These waves compress hydrogen gas, triggering massive explosions of star birth that light up the spiral arms like cosmic neon signs. It perfectly explains the beautiful structure. But a recent, terrifying discovery inside the galaxy's core has thrown a massive wrench into everything. Just when you thought you understood the whirlpool, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory peered through the dust. They didn't just find normal stars, they found dozens of ultraluminous X-ray sources. Black holes and neutron stars are actively feeding at an unprecedented rate, violently tearing matter from companion stars. And right at the center, a supermassive black hole surrounded by two massive rings of dust that cross each other, creating a dark, eerie X exactly 100 light-years wide. Some physicists argue this is just settled dust from the collision. Others suggest it's the signature of a second, hidden black hole. I genuinely want to know what you think is happening at the center of M51. Are we looking at a perfectly natural dust lane formed by a galactic collision? Could it be a binary supermassive black hole system, spinning an intricate web of gravity? Or is there something happening with dark matter physics we don't quite grasp yet? Drop your wildest theories in the comments below. I read every single one, and our community consistently comes up with some of the most mind-blowing ideas. Let's debate it. You might be thinking, why does a 31-million light-year-old mystery matter to me? Because what you're about to see changes everything about our own future. The Whirlpool Galaxy is a literal crystal ball. In roughly 4 billion years, our very own Milky Way is scheduled to collide head-on with the Andromeda Galaxy. By studying how the whirlpool handles its collision, how the shock waves forge new stars, and how supermassive black holes wake up and begin to feed, scientists around the world are now mapping out own solar system. This affects how we see our place in the universe. It proves that destruction and creation are the exact same mechanism in space. But the story doesn't end in destruction. Today, researchers are pointing the James Webb Space Telescope's infrared sensors directly at M51's dusty heart, peeling back the layers of this galaxy to watch stars being born in real time. Upcoming next-generation observatories, like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, will soon map out the invisible dark matter holding these galaxies together in their deadly dance. Science is progressing at lightning speed, and piece by piece, the dark universe is stepping into the light. Every time we look at the Whirlpool, we are reminded that out of cosmic violence comes unparalleled beauty. By the end of this decade, we will understand exactly what makes this galaxy tick. But M51 isn't the only cosmic anomaly rewriting our physics textbooks. In our next videos, we're investigating the Great Attractor, the invisible, terrifying force pulling our entire galaxy toward the unknown. And you won't want to miss our deep dive into the Boötes Void, a dark, empty region of space so massive it shouldn't exist. You won't believe what they just found hiding inside it. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the deep. Remember, every time you look up at the night sky, you aren't just seeing distant lights, you're looking at the engines of creation. The universe is full of secrets, and we're just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.